Hello. So our next topic is about the XOR gate. So XOR gate. So the logical symbol for this XOR gate is here we are having two inputs AB and the output singular output Y. So Y is equals to A XOR B. So this XOR gate is an odd even detector. So that is here we are having the truth table for this XOR gate is here we are having two inputs and one single output. So as we are having two inputs, there will be four possibilities, right? So the possibilities are 0 0, 0 1, 1 0 and 1 1. So as this XOR gate is an odd one detector, means if we are having odd ones in the inputs, then the output will be higher, otherwise the output will be lower. So see, here we are having for 0 and 1, here we are having one odd one. So the output will be 1. So for the first one, 0 and 0, here we are not having any ones. So the output is 0. The next one is 1 0. So for 1 0, here we are having one odd one. So the output will be 1. So in the final case, 1 and 1. So for this 1 and 1, here we are having two ones. So this is not an odd number, right? 2 is an even number, right? So the output will become 0. So this is an odd one detector. XOR gate is an odd one detector. So the timing diagram for this is that for this XOR gate is that here we are having two inputs A, B and the output Y. So first 0 0, 1 1, 0 0, 1 and 1 0, 1 0 and 1 0 1 0 1, and the output will be like this 0 1 1 and 0 0 1 1 0, and this is about the XOR gate. So now let us see about the XNOR gate. XNOR gate. So this XNOR gate is a even one detector. So this is nothing but just here we are placing the NOT symbol, then it will become the XNOR gate. So the XNOR gate Y is equals to A XNOR B is nothing but A complement B complement plus AB. In the previous one, that is XOR gate, for XOR gate I have taken Y is equals to A XOR B. So it will become A complement B plus AB complement. So the truth table for this XNOR gate is that 0 0 A B are the two inputs and the one output Y. So 0 1, 1 0, 1 1. These four are the possible inputs for the XOR gate, as we are having two inputs, right? So as this is a even one detector, that is, if we are having any number of even, that may be zeros or ones, the output will become 1. So as this is a even detector, the outputs will become 1 and here the remaining will become 0. This is we call it as even one detector. So the truth table for this XNOR gate is that here when we are having two zeros, the output will become 1, and when we are having two ones, the output will become 1, and the remaining outputs will be 0. So the timing diagram for this will be A, B and Y are the input and outputs. So 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 1, A input 0 1 0 1 0 1 and 0 1 are the inputs for B, and our output is 1 0 0 and 1 1 0 0 and 1. And that's all about the XNOR, about the NAND and NOR gates, right? So we call this NAND and NOR gates as a universal gates. So now let us see about the realization of both the NAND gates and the NOR gates, right? So the first one, let us see about the NAND realization. NAND realization. So now here I am using the NAND gate to implement the remaining gates, right? So first one, so what are the gates that I am going to implement are that for NAND? OR gate, AND gate, NOT gate, XOR and XNOR gates. As a NAND and the NOR are the universal gates, right? So the first one is that for a NOT gate, the NAND gate is represented like this with two inputs with a one output Y, right? So here I am combining both the inputs, and here I am giving the input as A. So here the output I am getting is Y is equals to A complement. So this is how we can represent a NAND gate as a NOT gate. So now let us see for, I have realized for the NOT gate, and now let us see for the AND gate. So for AND gate, here I am having an AND gate with two inputs, input A and input B. The output here I am getting is that A, B whole bar. So what I need to get is Y is equals to AB, right? So here I am having the complement. To remove the complement, again I am using an AND gate, and finally I am getting Y is equals to AB. This is the realization of AND gate by using the NAND gates. So then coming to the OR gate. So for OR gate, I am taking the value here. One NAND gate as input A and another NAND gate as input B. So here I am getting A complement and here I am getting B complement. So I am combining both these outputs to one more NAND gate. So the final output here I am getting is Y is equals to A complement and B complement. So according to De Morgan's law, Y will become A plus or A of B. This is according to De Morgan's law. The realization of the XOR gate by using the NAND gates will be like this. So see, the NAND gates required to realize a XOR gate is 4 NAND gates are required. So So this is how we will be implementing the XOR gate using the NAND gates. So now let us see. Here I am having inputs A and input B. This is my first NAND gate, second NAND gate, third NAND gate, and the fourth NAND gate, right? So the output for the first NAND gate will become, here I am having A and B as the inputs. The output will be AB whole complement. So here I am having, for the second NAND gate, here I am having A dot AB whole complement. Here I am having. For the third NAND gate, the output is B dot AB complement whole complement. So here now I am considering this as an X and this as Y, and the final output as Z, right? So X dot Y whole complement, right? So here X is equal to A dot AB whole complement. So this will become A dot A complement or B complement whole complement. This is according to the De Morgan's law. So then X is equals to A complement into B. So the next one is Y. Y is equals to B dot AB complement whole complement. So Y is equals to B dot A complement or B complement whole complement, and this is according to the De Morgan's law. Then Y is equals to B complement dot A. So the final output is Z. Z is equals to X dot Y whole complement. So here X is equals to A complement B dot B complement A whole complement. So according to the De Morgan's law, it will become A complement B or B complement A, and this is the final output of the XOR gate. So this is how we will be realizing the XOR gate by using the NAND gates. NOR gate realization by using the NAND gates will be like this, just equal to the XOR gate realization, but here we are adding one more NAND gate to the circuit, right? So let us see. So this is the XOR realization. So we have seen about the NAND gate realization, and we have found out the NOT gate, AND gate, OR gate, XOR gate and XNOR gate by using the NAND gates. So now let us see about the NOR gate realization. So now we are having at the NOR gate realization. So for the NOR gate realization, the NOT gate will be just like how we have implemented using the NAND gate. So both the inputs will be combined into a single input, and then we will be getting the output Y is equals to A complement. So the AND gate will be realized by taking 3 NOR gates. This is input A, this is input B, this is the final output Y. So here I am getting for the first 1, 2, 3, and here I am having 3 NOR gates. The output for the first NOR gate is A complement, and for the second NOR gate is B complement. So now Y is equals to A complement or B complement whole complement. So by using De Morgan's law, Y becomes A dot B by using the De Morgan's law. So now let us see for the OR gate. So the OR gate will be implemented like this. Here I am taking two inputs A and B. The output will be, for this will be A or B whole complement. Here I require two NOR gates to implement an OR gate. So here Y is equals to A or B. This is the first NOR gate and this is the second NOR gate. So here I require two NOR gates to implement a OR gate to get the Y is equals to A or B. So now let us find out the XOR gate and the XNOR gate by using the NOR gates, right? So the XOR gate, the XNOR. So now let us see the XNOR gate. So the XNOR gate will be like this. Same as the XNOR gate in the XNOR gate realization is same as the XNOR gate realization by using NAND gates. Input A, input B, and finally we are getting the output Y. So to implement a XNOR gate, we need 4 NOR gates, and to find out the XOR gate, to get the XOR gate, we just need to add one more NOR gate at the output, and we will be getting the XOR gate.